What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ram and I hope you all guys are having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 6 EDC items for men. These are the everyday items that every man should carry. Having these things which I'm going to tell you in this video are going to help you a lot every single day. Having these 6 essential items with you all the time is going to help you a lot. Even when you get into trouble sometimes, they are going to back you up. So if you want to know the EDC items for men, then stay tuned. If you want to watch more content regarding men's fashion, men's lifestyle and stuff, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Starting with number 1 is a water bottle. You need to carry a water bottle so that you can stay hydrated all the time. You need to drink a lot of water during the day. You should drink approximately 3 liters of water every day so that you can stay hydrated and flush out the unnecessary toxins from your body. 70% of the body is water, so you need to drink a lot of water during the day so that you won't get dehydrated. Carry a water bottle in your backpack every single day so that you can carry the water bottle wherever you go and drink more water and you can stay hydrated. Drinking more water has so many benefits, like it is good for your skin, it is good for your recovery of your muscles, and will increase your metabolism and so many more benefits. So the next time when you leave your house, make sure you're carrying a water bottle. And number 2, a watch. I absolutely love watches and I have so many watches in my collection. You don't have to buy so many watches in order to have an essential watch. You can have a single watch which you can carry every day. I wear a watch every day so that I can know the time irrespective of where I am. Even though you carry a phone in your pocket, it doesn't mean that you should not wear a watch. Wearing a watch will level up your outfit. You cannot be looking at your phone every time so that you can know the time. On the days when I do not wear a watch, I really feel very bad because I keep on looking at my naked wrist, which makes me really angry so that I don't know what's going on around me. So I wear a watch every day. So if you're looking out for some great watches, I'll link them down in the description box so you can check it out. And number 3 is a chapstick, also known as a lip balm. You need to carry a lip balm stick in your backpack so that you won't be having dry lips or chapped lips. Having dry lips is really ugly. When someone is talking to you, what are they going to notice is your face region. When they are going to see that your lips are all crusty, dry and nasty, so it is going to completely ruin your first impression. So you need to carry a chapstick in your bag so that you can apply lip balm whenever your lips are dry. Number 4 is a perfume. No, I do not mean that you should carry a pack of deo or a cologne in your backpack. I'm just telling you to carry a small bottle of fragrance in your backpack so that you can apply whenever you feel you're not smelling good or you sweat a little bit, so that you can apply it when you smell bad. Most of us tend to forget to apply cologne in the morning. When you are having a backup in your backpack, it will be really helpful to you. If you're having a meeting at work or you're meeting a special person, applying a fragrance just before that condition is going to level up your confidence and you will be feeling great. So carry a small bottle of fragrance in your bag. And number 5, tissues or wet wipes. I cannot stress this enough. These saved my life for a lot of times. During the mornings, we forget to take our handkerchiefs with us. So whenever you are going to wash your hands or if you want to clean your hands, if you forget to carry a handkerchief with you, you should not be rubbing your clothes all over your trousers or your shirts, which is really disgusting. Having a pair of tissues or wet wipes in your backpack will save your lives. Trust me, you can wipe it off with your tissues, which will save your life. So make sure to carry a pair of tissues in your backpack. Sometimes when you sweat a lot, you can use a wet wipe as well so that you can wipe off the sweat and you will be feeling refreshed. 6 is a sanitizer and a hand wash. I think I don't have to say about this, but you should carry a sanitizer or a hand wash in your backpack. During these times, whenever you go to some place or an event, they are going to provide you a sanitizer so that you can sanitize your hands. This doesn't mean that you should not carry a sanitizer or a hand wash in your backpack. When you carry a sanitizer or a hand wash in your backpack so that you can clean your hands without depending on someone else. When you're having a meal during the day, having a hand wash with yourself is a really great option. You should always wash your hands before you eat. So always carry a sanitizer with yourself and do not depend on anyone else. Bonus tip as well, I think this is the tip number 7. Consider this as a bonus tip. You should always carry an additional mask with yourself because you do not know when your mask is going to tear off or it is going to loosen up. When you run out of not wearing a mask, it should be a very critical situation for you. So when you lose your mask, you have to ask somebody else or you have to go to the nearest pharmacy store so that you can buy a new mask. But when you carry an additional mask in your backpack, it is going to back you up as well. Even the mask which you have been wearing has worn out, you can wear a new mask which is in your backpack, which will be a really safe option for you. So you should always carry an additional mask in your backpack. So guys, those were the 6, I think 7 everyday carry for men. You should always carry these things with yourself so that you cannot be getting into trouble. Even though you get into trouble, these are going to back you up. So always carry these items with yourself. If you like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below the video and share this video. If you like my channel, make sure you are getting subscribed and getting notified to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.